If you want to hard reset your OPPO Reno 15 Pro by going to recovery mode, then first of all what we're gonna do is we're gonna restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here we need to move this white circle towards the restart option. But once you do so, you want to press and hold volume down. And you want to keep holding volume down all the time until you will see the recovery mode, or actually until you will see the language selection for the recovery mode. So even though you can see the OPPO logo in the meantime, you still want to keep holding this volume down button. And soon we should be able to have the language selection. There we go. So now over here we can choose English, and then we have the format data option. If you tap over here, you will have to enter the code that will be displayed in here. So just enter it in here, and then you can factory reset your phone. In case you go back to the recovery menu, just choose reboot device and confirm your choice. Leave a like and subscribe.